Yes, people, I am back. I am back. And now it is time for us to do this interview. Call it the midday sit down. So, people, I have the wonderful workers from the Princess Juliana International Airport. Sitting down with me right now, I have no other than Mr. Larval and Madame Cassie. Did I say it correctly?
Yes, perfectly. Thank you so much.
Of course. How are you guys doing this morning?
We're doing great. Happy to be here.
Happy to be here. How was Carnival for you guys actually?
Carnival was actually amazing.
Yeah, for you I know because you came down. You came down from the Netherlands for this. And for you, ma'am?
For me, I have to be honest, I was on a trip to the Netherlands, so I didn't experience Carnival this year, but I will be here next year for sure.
For sure. You do not want to miss that. Next year is 55 years of Carnival.
Yes.
So, let us start this party on the road, because you guys have some announcements to actually say about the airport.
Yes,
and
sir.
Word on the street is that you guys are going to be opening the airport up to the public. Am I correct or am I wrong?
That's correct.
That's correct. So, what is this experience then?
So on May 30th, we will open our airport to the locals between the hours of 6 to 9, where they can experience have a shopping experience, shop till they drop. We'll have free parking, entertainment. It's like an opportunity as well for people to see the airport after it's been rebuilt, and not everyone has funds to travel.
Yeah.
So we want to welcome them to come and see how it has been rebuilt since 2017.
Yeah, since Irma. And so May 30th, and is this going to be a one-time thing or is it going to happen weekly?
No, not weekly, but for now, this will be the first one since ages because they done it before. We want to bring it back. This is now the first time since then, but we definitely want to continue doing this and maybe on a monthly base, but for now we'll see how this one goes and get better every time.
So you're telling the people of St.Maarten they only have one day to go get Wendy's basically because that is
well for now
because that is basically
because we have two Wendy's, one in the departure hall and one in the meet and greet area. And the meet and greet area Wendy's will be open for the public as well, so everybody gets the opportunity to get their Wendy's.
Okay,
yes.
So is that one already open or no?
No, they're still
soon to be open.
Yes,
it should be open before Cope. The shopping experience.
Before Cope happened. Okay. So how does this procedure work then? So can I just walk into the security, say, yo, check me, I good, and I just want to go, maybe buy 1-2 perfumes duty free, or how does this work actually?
Okay, so very soon we will be dropping a registration form on our social media. So you will have to register before showing up to the event. We will also need a valid ID. And you will also need to present this at the airport. So you will register online. You'll get a boarding pass as a regular traveler, and you will even scan to go up to the departure hall. For those who do not have IDs, unfortunately, you won't be able to go into the departure hall, but we will have entertainment. There's still Wendy's downstairs. We have other concessions open for you to shop at, and we will provide entertainment.
And there's also the new bar as well, I saw.
Yes,
that has been taken over social media.
Yeah,
I see them two youngsters, they making some kind of shots and so on. So if you do not have your ID, if you didn't bring it that day, don't worry, you can always keep yourself occupied at the Paradise Bar, that's it called, right? Island Bar. How y'all work there? Y'all don't know it. You know what? I don't blame y'all. I do not blame y'all. Stay focused on the job instead of on alcohol.
Amen.
So, I register online, etc. And then I walk through, I get my boarding pass, and I go upstairs. And then I have to go through my security and so on. Can I get my passport stamped or no?
Unfortunately not.
It's a good one for the next edition, maybe.
It's actually really nice,
Yeah.
So, inside the airport, for those who haven't been there in a long while, what can they expect to see in the new departure hall?
Well, we have a lot of concessions. As you mentioned, we have Wendy's, we have Johnny Burger, we also have a museum where you can buy different souvenirs before you leave. Another souvenir shop, also by Shipwreck.
Love
We
SXM.
have Love SXM where you can get the nice shirts, bags with the love design on it.
And also the hats, if I'm not mistaken.
Correct,
Yes.
correct.
Yeah. Okay. So we have multiple wonderful stores you can go visit, multiple restaurants you can go visit. And is that all that comes with the package, or is there more? Is there like a VIP package maybe? I don't know. I just throwing out ideas there.
Well, we will also have a kids corner. We'll have
Okay.
bouncing castles, cotton
Okay.
candy, popcorn, so the kids can also come out and enjoy themselves.
Basically, they're saying for the parents, bring your kids, leave the picnic at the side and go shop, basically. Because it's only May 30th you guys can go and do this for the month at least. Now, is there anything that can happen maybe in the future possibly?
You mean with the shopping night?
Yeah, with the shopping
experience?
nights or anything in the future. Like, what are the future plans for the airport in general?
Well, good question. We have so many plans. For now, with the shopping night experience, we continue building on that because we want to give the community also something back. Because, like Lerva already mentioned, not everybody get to experience the new airport.
Yeah.
So with this, we're giving them the opportunity to come by to see the airport, and we are very proud of that. And we also want the locals to be proud of that as well.
Of course. And when does registration actually opens for the sign-ups now?
That will be this week, so stay tuned. Watch our social media, Facebook, Instagram as well, and you get to register and you will receive your boarding pass, and then you're welcome to come. Everybody's welcome.
Everyone is welcome, including
Yes.
your grandparents, even the ones on the wheelchairs
Yes,
as
for sure.
well.
Correct.
So, yes, it's free of charge, right? If I'm not
Yes.
mistaken. So free of charge, you get free
Indeed.
parking as well. And it starts from 6 to 9.
Yes.
Correct.
So people, you heard it here first, May 30th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Do not bring a suitcase, but just bring your shopping bags at least.
Indeed, a small shopping bag, by the way.
Yes, please and thank you. And so now this is a question that I actually had in mind when I heard about this. How is the airport prepared, like security wise? Because
Yes, good question.
it's St.Maarten, and if you're telling me you're opening the departure hall, I'm going to try get on a flight. Of course, me
Yeah.
personally, I'm going to try go to Santo, come back if possible. But so how's the airport prepared for this now?
So for the shopping experience, we will have extra security. But of course, to get on a plane, you will need a boarding pass. So the boarding pass is that we provide for you to enter the departure hall, does not gain you access to a flight, and it will look completely different. So it will raise concerns if you try to show your boarding pass to security, like, hey, this is not a boarding pass for a flight.
All right. Well, people, you guys heard it here first. May 30th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. We have the shopping experience down at the Princess Juliana International Airport. You'll have your local entertainment. You'll have your kids corner for your young ones. And then you guys can come out and experience the new and I want to say revamped,
Yeah.
It's revamped, right? Yeah, the new and revamped airport since the passing of Hurricane Irma. So people, this is an opportunity you do not want to miss. And this will be the first edition of the shopping experience. Is there anything else you'd like to tell the public before we go?
Register.
Yeah, just
Please come. Bring everybody. It will be such a great experience. You don't want to miss this one.
yes, people. So make sure to stay tuned to their social media platforms,
Yes.
Facebook, Instagrams. I don't know if you guys have TikTok as well.
Yes, of course.
Register, get your boarding pass, and only bring small shopping bags. Do not bring a suitcase. Only bring your small shopping bags. Now, Mr. Larva, Madame Cassie. Sorry,
Yes.
Madame Cassie. Thank you so
worries.
much. Thank you so much for coming in and also giving the people the information that they needed about this event.
It was a
Thank you
pleasure.
so much.
Of
Thank
course,
you for
of
having
course,
us.
of course. Yes, people, you guys heard it here first. May 30th, shopping experience at the Princess Juliana International Airport. It is free entry, but you have to register first. And also, you guys get free parking as well. Now, that don't mean to come and bring down your rentals and park it in the parking lot. Please, and thank you. People, I'll be right back. When I come back, it's time for your news and sports news. And then we have your parlay of the day. I'll be right back.